Hey, Angie here. Here is my honest review of the Ring outdoor camera. Let's get started. So here is the Ring. You can attach it anywhere you would like, as high or low as you want to go. It easily just screws into the wall. And here is a doorbell if someone comes to the door and actually wants to ring it. It lets you know by that sound that someone is at your door, and you also get a message on your app. And my dog barks, so that all works out great. Or it just detects movement. If my dog is back at the door and wants to come in, I love that feature. It just lets me know that he's ready to come in. Or if someone drops a package off, it also shows me that and gives me a little notice. So overall, this is so convenient to have, and I'm so glad I finally made the purchase and got it. Again, it just unscrews underneath here, and then it just recharges by plugging it in, and then it just goes back into place. A charge usually lasts at least 3 months, so you're not charging it very often. I highly recommend getting the Ring.
Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between all three of these Ring battery doorbells. So on the left, this is the video doorbell. This has a built-in battery. In the middle, we've got the Battery Doorbell Plus. This is the head-to-toe video camera inside. And on the right, this is the Battery Doorbell Pro. It also has the same camera, the head-to-toe camera, but it also has bird's eye feature. The Pro one will also connect to the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, where these two are only 2.4 gigahertz. So let's talk about the one with the built-in battery. You're going to simply so you're going to mount this bracket to your wall with these 4 screws, and then the Ring is going to mount to it like this. You're going to put 2 of the security screws down here. Then you will need this tool to take those security screws off. That way you can go charge it. You have to take the entire doorbell. So you're going to take the entire doorbell inside and charge it with that's cable, micro USB. They all take the same cable, but you're going to plug it in right here. Plug it into a USB-A charger, and your light on the front is going to let you know when it's fully charged, when that blue light is all the way across. Okay, so when you got it fully charged, you simply just take it back outside to your wall bracket.
You're looking to invest in a Ring doorbell, this is my #1 tip before buying. First off, I would always have the doorbell hardwired. We tried to use it on the battery pack, but the battery runs out so often, so we had to turn down the sensitivity so low, and then it doesn't really serve its purpose. So you're gonna want to make sure that you hardwire your Ring camera. The camera still runs off the battery, but what the hardwiring does is actually charges the battery. We're really happy with this system overall. All you need is one app for the doorbell and you can run the whole system. We have an external door chime, we have an outside camera, and they all work seamlessly, all from one app.
I'm absolutely in love with the Ring doorbell. I feel like I don't see a lot of videos of people charging it.